Hello students, in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, I welcome you all. I hope you all are keeping well. I have already sent PDF of activity 3 and 4. I hope you might have completed. Now, we will discuss activity 5, 6 and 7 in this session. Now let us get started. Activity 5. Study the table and learn how verbs are formed by adding appropriate suffix. Suffix means a morpheme added at the end of a word to form a verb. That means any morpheme like en, e, ise, ify, this morpheme are used behind of word, that is suffix, or before the word any morpheme is used, that is prefix. But in this activity we shall study suffix, which change the word and turns into the verb. Now first one is sharp and white. When we add suffix en, it becomes sharpen or widen. The verb to make something sharp, that means. Second, material and central. When we use suffix ise or ize, the verb becomes materialize, centralize. Now verb to make something modern. Next, simple, pure. When we use suffix ify, the verb becomes simplify and purify. The verb to make something simple, the meaning of the verb. Next, bath, breathe. In that, when we add suffix e, it becomes bath and breathe. Verb to take a bath. Now, by understanding these examples, let us complete the paragraph with appropriate verbs for the following expression. Into bracket, to make pure, to make modern, to make beautiful, to take a bath, to put into categories. These are the meaning of verb. Now we have to convert this meaning of the verb into verb. Let us see the paragraph. A new township is being set up here. They will dash it with plants and trees. The suitable meaning of the verb in this blank is to make beautiful. So that we have to convert into verb, and that will become beautify. Next line. The plants and trees will dash the air. The meaning of the verb is to make pure, and the verb of it is purify. Then the organizers have dashed the buildings. That is to put into categories. Now convert into verb is categorized. They will also dash the water system. That is to make modern. So modernize. And last, they are also planning to erect a swimming pool where we will be able to swim and dash. So there is no other choice except to take a bath. So bath, B-A-T-H-E. So I have given these answers here. You can see and write. Now activity 6, that is also as same as use suffix, morpheme behind the word and make verb. So here it is, activity 6. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate verbs. First, The streets of the city are being dash into bracket wide, then widened. Second, do not speak so loudly dash your tone into bracket soft, then adding suffix soften, adding en, soften. Third, they couldn't dash, he was blind for years into bracket belief, verb is believe. Now fourth one, nobody dash Joseph's death as much as Pierre into bracket grief. So grieved, answer is grieved. Fifth one, Joseph's death dash Pierre's life forever into bracket dark. Again after adding suffix it will become darkened. Sixth one, Jack dash Pierre to take a day off into bracket advise. See here, we have to make verb. So advised, S-E-D-A-D-V-I-S-E-D, advised. Seventh one, everyone dash the old man's death into bracket sympathy. Then it would be sympathized. Eighth one, this story dash love between animal and man into bracket symbol, then symbolizes. Ninth one, Joseph's death dash Pierre into bracket horrible. Now horrible will have to convert into verb so that it is horrified. Now last, 10th one, the warning yell of the truck driver dash the old man into bracket terrible. Now terrible we have to convert into verb. So the verb of terrible is terrified. So I have given answers here. You can see and complete activity number 6. Now it is turn for activity number 7. Pick out the appropriate expression for the underlined words or phrases in the following statements. First, the horseman was run over by a truck. The truck driver said, I couldn't help. So what did he mean? The options are given here. A, I was unable to save him. B, I regret I have killed him. C, I believed I was not in the wrong. So the correct option is A, I was unable to save him. Second, Pierre used to say that he didn't need rains. What did he mean? Here options are given. A, the horse required no control. B, the horse could do without reins. C, the horse went out of his control. Here B is appropriate option. The horse could do without reins. Third one, maybe you have got the goat. I repeat, third one, maybe you have got the gout. Here options given. He was sure that Pierre suffered from gout. That is option A. Option B, he thought Pierre suffered from gout. C. He thought Pierre might develop gout in future. So what would be the correct option? The correct option is option number B. He thought Pierre suffered from gout. Okay, now fourth one. His salary will go on just the same. The options are A. His salary will continue as usual. B. His salary will be raised. C. His salary will be reduced. Now, option A is suitable and correct option. A. His salary will go on just the same, means his salary will continue as usual. Now last and fifth one. He saw something which startled him. Here options are given. A. Surprised. B. Worried. And C. Saddened. In this, option A is correct option. Surprised. Surprise is correct answer. So here also I have given the answers. You can see and complete activity number 7. So here is the end of our today's task. You can see the answers and complete these activities. When we will meet at that time, I will check. Till then, thank you very much. Goodbye.